right, welcome back everybody. So if you have a Subaru Forester or an Outback, any model, here's a quick hack on how to store your cargo cover that took me years to discover this one. So I'll show you real quick, all right? So we've got your cargo cover here. All right, you're gonna pop this off, and before I knew this hack, I would pop this off and store it in my house, and I had like little space, so it was really frustrating, took up a lot of area. And my wife bought a new Outback the other week, and I discovered when they showed us at the dealership a little hack where this actually belongs. All right, so follow along and I'll show you where this goes. Right under here, you're gonna lift this up. All right, you're gonna pull these things off here, and I'm just going to prop it up with these. This one here, all right? So now, as we can see, there's this little area right here that looks like it's a good fit. So let's check this out. Alright, got my cover here. As you can see, in no time at all, we folded it up. This flap, all right, the back flap comes here, covers here. You can still store your stuff under here. Fits in here perfect, fits in here. Now, all you do is you just restore those pieces. And I'm gonna hold this with my head so I don't get clobbered. Restore that piece there, all right. Back it up, close it, and you are set. So that's going to work on third generation Foresters or Outbacks. I believe fourth generation. I think we're on the fifth generation now because my wife has a 2021. And I'll do a quick tutorial on that after this one to show you how to do it in the 2021 Outback and the 2020 Outback. So I hope this video helped. This was a quick tutorial. Oh, this is going to bother me. There we go. All right. I hope this tutorial helped. And yeah, if it did, make sure you like and subscribe and have an awesome day.